What's up, hungry people? I'm totally obsessed with chicken waffles. With a savory waffle base and a chicken that's been sous vide and then flash fried, topped with Sriracha maple syrup, it's a roller coaster of flavors from sweet and spicy to savory and back again. Start with either chicken wings or thighs. Place the chicken into vacuum sealer baggies. It doesn't really matter if you use boneless or bone-in, but what's important is that the skin is on. If you don't have a vacuum sealer, you can still achieve a vacuum seal by using the displacement method. Seal the baggies and then place them into a pot with the immersion circulator. You want to undercook the chicken by about 10 degrees so that when we fry the chicken before serving, it doesn't risk getting overcooked. Set your immersion circulator to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 65 degrees Celsius. We are going to let it cook for about 2.5 to 3 hours. My immersion circulator is a smart device that I can sync up to my phone. It's pretty cool because I can go about my day and just get a notification when my food is done. Next, remove the chicken from the water bath and set the chicken on a baking sheet with a wire rack. We want to get the chicken as dry as possible before frying. The easiest way to do this without using paper towels is to first salt the chicken and then leave it in the fridge for about 24 hours prior to frying. You can also leave the chicken out until it reaches room temperature if you don't want to wait a whole day to enjoy your chicken waffles. While we wait for the chicken to dry, we can get started on the waffle batter. In a small bowl, add flour, baking powder, baking soda, sugar, and a bit of fresh cracked pepper and sea salt. Then whisk it all together and add in heavy cream, ghee or regular melted butter, and 2 fresh eggs. Mix it all together until a thick batter forms. You want it to be smooth enough to pour, but thick enough that it holds its shape. If it's too thin, add more flour, and if it's too thick, add more cream. Let the batter chill until you are ready to make the waffles. Finally, make the Sriracha maple syrup. All that takes is 2 parts maple syrup to 1 part Sriracha. Whisk it all together and then chill or leave it at room temperature until you're ready to pour it on your chicken. After all this prep, it's finally time to fry the chicken. Swap out the baking sheet that held the raw chicken for a clean pan. I don't have a proper deep fryer, so I fried my chicken thighs and wings in a shallow skillet with about 1/2 inch of vegetable oil. When the chicken has a golden, crispy skin, place it onto the baking sheet and keep it warm in the oven set to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 65 degrees Celsius, until you finish the waffles. Preheat the waffle iron and then pour in the batter. There should be enough to make about 2 or 3 waffles. Cook each waffle for about 3 to 4 minutes until the waffle is golden brown and lifts from the iron easily. Place the cooked chicken on top of the waffle and then drizzle on as much of the Sriracha maple syrup as you desire. Add some fresh parsley for a pop of color and then dig in. This chicken waffle is classic soul food. I've come to learn that pretty much anything can go on top of a waffle. It sounds like a strange combination, but once you've tried it, you are sure to be hooked. See all my crazy waffle combinations on thestarvingchefblog.com. If you like this recipe, hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe for new recipes every week. And hit that bell so you can be the first to know when a new video goes up. Stay hungry, my friends. I hope you all enjoy, and I'll talk to you soon.